Ever wondered how to make your batters light and fluffy? The secret lies in creaming butter and sugar. This crucial step can transform your batters and elevate your baking. So, how do we cream butter and sugar to achieve this? Stick around to find out. Creaming butter and sugar isn't just about mixing, it's about introducing air. When you cream these two elements together, you're essentially whipping them, creating tiny pockets of air within the mixture. This is the secret to light, fluffy batters. The air pockets expand during baking, giving your cakes and cookies their delectable rise in texture. It's a vital step in baking that should never be overlooked or rushed. Now that you understand the process, it's time to learn the steps involved. Start with room temperature butter. It should be soft but not melted. Now, slice the butter into small cubes to ensure even creaming. In your mixing bowl, combine the butter cubes and sugar. The usual ratio is 1 part butter to 2 parts sugar, but feel free to adjust this to your taste. Begin mixing at a slow speed to prevent the sugar from flying out. As the sugar gets incorporated, gradually increase the speed. The goal is to beat the mixture until it's light and fluffy, usually taking about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the color lightens to a pale yellow and the texture becomes smooth. During the process, don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl. This ensures all the butter and sugar are thoroughly mixed, so patience and attention to detail are key here. And there you have it, perfectly creamed butter and sugar ready for your batter. So, to make your batters light and fluffy, remember the importance of creaming butter and sugar. This process aerates the batter, creating an irresistibly tender crumb. It's a baking game changer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.